Today, we're working on a 3x3. So no, you can't make me laugh, Chris. We're working on this beautiful, sensual 3x3. It looks great. B's doing a great job. Jacoby's doing an amazing job. And my father is, oh, here he comes. He's doing great. My father's awesome. There he is, looking handsome as hell. So the scope for this room is the 3x3. Obviously, there was an old 3x3 here. We already took it down. It was old NEC screens. We already took the mounts and the screens down. We've got the Zoom, the Logitech tap here. We have a wire bundled up here for when we install the room scheduler on the outside of either sides of this door. The rack, we've got to take some things out the rack. They call it the MPO. We're gonna install new equipment for this room. All of this blue is our new wires that we ran, just 3. Comes down here, back out the rack. The 3x3 should be up by today. We just gotta wire it up.
See this, we lasered the stickies. If you're a professional, you gotta take it to the next level. Even though the cables are hidden, you know what I'm saying? I can know they're back there. I don't want them to look ugly back there.
Here pretty quick, you know what I'm saying? We'll be shying.
We shining.
So you basically have to go through this and do each TV one at a time. We could actually take this TV, move it to the left, put the HDMI on, make this TV 1.
You gotta get the flip.
Programming the IR to the monitor ID so the remotes work individually on that monitor specifically.
So when the IR jumps up, it has to do that. You can't go all the way around.
On the remote ID one, it only works that one. I don't know, I gotta check with them and make sure I'm doing it right or something. When I'm using a remote that's set for a certain ID, it doesn't send it all over. It's coming together.
You'll be okay, nephew. Don't call me nephew. Anthony, this shit ain't funny. You come pull this wire. We're putting this behind the screens, which is a PoE amp for the speakers. So that's got to get put behind the screens. We're just putting the proper equipment we need for the whole room to work. That's all we're doing. Yes, cameraman, John Harvey, Chris. He said, do you want to fight? And I said, I don't know. I mean, do you want to run? We can run a 2-minute fade, Chris, you know?
He said, I mean, I don't want to not fight.
I did not say that. I did not say that. Hold on.
Ripped out the old 3x3, put in the new 3x3. Everything's aligned. Come check out these corners right here. Can you get a zoom in on that? Look at that bad boy right there. Woo! We have the tap right now hung on the tabletop mount that we just rigged for a second until they get the real mount. But that's it, man. We got 2 other rooms we got to do too that Jake Holmes and Anthony are wiring up. That's it, dude. See ya.
Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Look what I get for being true. Look what I get for loving you.
No, don't do that.